How can I turn a spreadsheet row into a personal email? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Then we'll be using the details of that spreadsheet in order to compose an email using the AI Wizard by Workload before finally sending that email using Microsoft Outlook. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Sheets to Wizard to Outlook. And I'm going to select my trigger by clicking in the trigger box. I'm going to use Google Sheets as my triggering app. And the event is going to be a new spreadsheet row. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to Google. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of the video. With our Google apps, you also have to select which files you want to share with Workload. I'm going to be using this interview schedule spreadsheet, and that's already shared with Workload. So I can go ahead and continue here. I'm going to select that spreadsheet from the drop-down menu. Sheet 1. I'm going to test this trigger. So we have a new row to our spreadsheet. And this spreadsheet is an interview schedule spreadsheet. And we have the position they're applying for, the email address of the person who's applying, the interviewee's name, the date and time of the interview, and the location of the interview. And we're going to use all that information from the spreadsheet in order to compose an email and then send it through Outlook. So I'll click continue here. For our second step, we're going to select our tools, and we're going to use the AI Wizard by Workload. We're going to prompt your data. So for the input data, I'm going to feed information from our trigger. So I'm going to say position, name of interviewee, date and time, location. And then I'm going to paste in a prompt. Write a warmly toned email to this interviewee confirming plans for a scheduled interview. Include the position, location, and date and time of the interview. Say we are excited to meet this person and discuss what they could bring to the position. Use sincerely, Elliot Workload, President, Vending Machine Company, as the closing. So we'll click continue here, and we'll test this action. And we have a success. Dear Dr. Bozo, we are writing to confirm our scheduled interview for the position of Chief of Surgery at Vending Machine Company. We are excited to meet you at the bowling alley on November 5th, 2025 at 10 to discuss what you could bring to the position. Sincerely, Elliot Workload, President of the Vending Machine Company. And it also provided a subject that we can use for our email as well. So we'll click continue. We're going to add a step. This is going to be in Microsoft Outlook. The event is going to be to send email. Make sure we're connected to Microsoft Outlook. For the from email, if you leave this blank, it will use your default Microsoft Outlook email address, which I'm going to do for this workflow. The to email, click the add to button. This is going to come from that initial trigger. The email address was part of the spreadsheet. So put that in there. If I want to have any BCC or CC emails, I could add those here as well. The subject is going to come from step 2, the subject that was created by the AI Wizard. The body format is going to be text, and the body is going to come from the AI Wizard as well. And we'll click continue, and we'll test our action. And it looks like we have a success. So I'll click continue here. I can go to my sent email, and I can see that that email was sent today to Dr. Bozo. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor. I can activate this workflow, and then whenever there's a new spreadsheet row added to that specific spreadsheet, the AI wizard will compose an email that is then sent through Microsoft Outlook. That's how you can use the AI wizard by Workload to automatically compose an email whenever you add a new row to a spreadsheet. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.